更爱了，疼爱的，很爱恨我的心有。
That's not your mommy. Hello. Stop. Stop.
If I wanted him to bark, all I need to say is a root.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines.
Do I need it? Am I under control? Can I beat it? Wake up, if it's swallowing me whole, what is it?
I can make you feel alive.
I know, but
I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy it when you rub my tummy. I love treats cause they are so yummy.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me.
Gotta say it. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. With an
watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You stay flexing on me. LB say go na na na, go na na na, go na na, go na na na, remix.
Tiptoe through the window, by the window. That's where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tube.
I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy it when you rub my tummy. I love treats cause they are so yummy. I'm your buddy. Yeah, I'm a puppy.
There's nothing cuter than cute little puppies. Cute little puppies. Cute little puppies.
You'll never see me again. And it went like.
I want you to know that I'll always be right here.
Easy recipe. Grab 2 chairs, put a black tablecloth over them, making them backlit by the sun. I like to wet the cloth so it stays stuck to the ground. Take your favorite furry friend, one that likes water, and get them wet. And then after you stop, be ready for them to shake it off and shoot through the entire sequence. Here's what it looks like on just an iPhone. It looks fantastic, but if you can, shoot this kind of an image with a DSLR so you can control the shutter speed, like in this series, which is shot on an A7R4. Hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to follow.
Hello, sir. What are your thoughts on our current political climate?
People be like, oh my god, your dog sleeps in your bed with you? Like, next to you in your bed? With all the dog hair?
Hey honey, will you come here? Come. Honey, I have a question for you. Would you like to go on a walk? You want to go on a walk with me? Go, swim. It's really cold.
I'm sorry, little pizza. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're back. She's in her dressing gown. You can't really see it too much, but she's refusing to look at me. She's really upset, and yeah. So we won't be going swimming anytime soon, will we, pizza?